Hi, it's Faces Tech. No, it's not the heady days of 2017, the height of the fidget craze. But since the current pandemics going on, people are feeling a bit more anxious. I noticed a few people were like turning to their good old fidget spinners and other kind of various things. So I thought I'll try do a bit of a review slash show of some of the stuff I've done. If you start off, it started off with this little guy here, and I was like, oh, that's cool. And it's kind of weirdly satisfying to play with cogs. And it just so fits so nice in your hand and this thingy. So I thought I could do that. So I went into basically kind of reversed engineered, brought the STL into FreeCAD, which is what I use, and they started modeling stuff. Come up with this original one because I wanted to do bigger gears. That medium-sized gear and a small gear. Printed this one out, but it was kind of annoying because it was at the top. It kind of wasn't like this. And then I made a slightly different one, but that the gap wasn't big enough. And then I eventually came up with this one, which was a nice big gap to it. And it is quite nice. You just hook it on your keyring, take it with you. Did a colour coding with the orange and the grey. It was quite nice. I also did this one, which was a Animal Crossing type gear that you could do. That's quite satisfying. You could obviously, it covers up the thing. You could have different things on it. Also, I thought I'd have a look at some other things that I found. This one, which is quite a nice, this kind of like demonstrates 3D printing. In its art form, it does, gears that would be hard to manufacture, to machine, but you can easily print them out. This one, this is my second one that I made because the first one I didn't sand the inside of the gear to get rid of the Z-seam. Once I did that, this one worked like a charm. It does take a bit to bear in, once you get it all running that nice, but it is really nice and satisfying. This one was just a demo I did to basically test out the gears. The ones that I've made. And this other one, which is quite cool, which is a MakerBot one, print in place one. It's not quite as smooth as the others because it is just a print in place. It like kind of floats in its gap. And I did a bit of, it did say to print at 10%, but if you look on there, I did have a bit of an issue with the infill. I think it was the pattern I used. If you use like a tighter pattern, just like a line pattern in Cura, I'm sure it'll come out better, or you can do a thicker infill. But other than that, I'm not sure why it ended up like that. But I've noticed that when I do letters that are too small and too lesser of an infill, it just kind of comes out a bit messy. But yeah, as usual, I'll give STLs for this, the files, so you can give it a go. You can make your own. There is like a workbench in FreeCAD that does gears, which is quite cool to play around with. You can try out virtual gears and stuff like that. But as usual, thanks for watching. Bye.